What's up, everyone? Welcome back to another video. Got the Civic back here in the garage still. We're gonna be doing an ASR subframe brace install. Here, let me pull this out real quick. Got it right here. It's pretty clean, So yeah, it's gonna be going down over there. Oh fuck, let me take this off the anal beads. It's gonna be going right there in between the two control arms. It's gonna be tying it together. That's gonna be today's project before the upcoming autocross event that we have on February 2nd. So we're gonna try to tie up the car together. I'm still in the process of the harness install, but that'll be the video before this. So yeah, we're gonna be getting started. I'm gonna start jacking up the front of the Civic, sorry. Put it on blocks and then jack ends in the rear. Start taking it apart. We're gonna go step by step, I guess, but don't use me as a guide because I'm not a professional, so don't take my word. But if I did it good, then yeah, take my guide. All right, so Civic's on blocks in the front, so it could be a little more higher in the front when I jack it up in the rear once I'm back on the lip. Second thing now is the brace comes with these little brackets right here that go back here. As you can see, I already started on one side so I can show you guys how it's supposed to be, but you're gonna start tightening it up with these little bolts right here. That's with the Allen keys or whatever. I'm using a 532. I don't know, I can't read fractions. It's the 5/32, that's what it is. So yeah, you're gonna go on it with these two on the opposite side, and then from there we're gonna be jacking up the car, taking the wheels off, or jacking up the car, putting it on jack stands, take the wheels off, and then start taking off the rear apart. And yeah, so I'm gonna do this other side real quick, and I'll meet you guys down there once the car's all jacked up. All right, wheels are off. Now let's go under. Bring your hardware with you, the back plates, and then so what I'm gonna do first is grab yourself a, what size is this, a 14 mil. Loosen up the control arms from this side and that side, because you do have to put these back plates like right behind here. It goes like right over here, but on the inside. So this is going to be in the way, the control arm. So we're going to take it off, push it down, start doing all that. I should probably get the subframe brace down over here too. What's the time? I gotta go head out, get a quick fade. Y'all gonna see how cute I'm gonna look. Cute little transformation. Y'all gonna see it right now, but I'm gonna do that first and then go get my quick fade. Dude, my girl's gonna want to fuck me so bad, bro. Y'all see. All right, control arms are fully off. As you can see, we got a little more space over there. Same with this side. Then we got the brace right here. And then got the hardware back plates. Back plates is obvious that it's gonna go back here, over here. But so how it's gonna go is the top bolt's gonna go here. Then the middle bolt is gonna go here, and then the smaller bolt's gonna go down here. So it's pretty much gonna go from biggest to smallest on both ends. That's pretty much it. I should have enough time to finish it before I get cute right now, you know. But yeah, look how much grime there is. So much like grime, like road grime and all that from, you know, obviously driving through the air conditions, the weather conditions here in Cali. I mean, it's mostly like sunny and shit. But yeah, I'm gonna try to get those back plates in. You gotta like finger your way in. You gotta use your skills that you use on your girl in order to like make it go in. So here, I'm gonna try to time lapse that shit, and then y'all will see. Alright, we got it on both sides. Needed Doza's help right here. So yeah, we got it on both sides. Just need to tighten this bolt, put the control arm bolt in, and then torque everything down to spec, and it should be good. But it looks pretty hard so far.
Yeah, I don't want to fuck with that, and then get the blow up. Yeah, mate.
How we looking? Any cute boys out there? I already got a girl, so I need a cute boy now. My girl gonna want me so bad now when she sees me later. Anyways, so I got the LCA's bolts on. Got it over here. Hand tighten it first. I'm gonna hand tighten everything first. Oh, I still gotta do this little chode right here of a bolt. And after that, I'm gonna put some pressure on the wheel itself, so I could torque everything down to spec. Right here there's a sheet. Where is it? Right here. It tells you like how many foot-pounds to torque him to. So we're gonna be doing that. I think I'm gonna be bolting the wheel up and then jacking it up. Maybe I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Or I'll probably do it like right here from the LCA. We'll see how we do it though. I gotta still tighten everything down, and then it should be a wrap. So it's a pretty simple install, to be honest. Later on we'll put a rear sway bar, and it'll look pretty gangster, you know. But yeah, that's how it's gonna be so far, and I'll get back to you once we're ready to torque everything down. All right guys, so we have it all here. We have pressure on the wheel, quote unquote. Pretty much I lifted until it was fully off the jack over there. If you guys can see right there. So I want to be starting off with this one for the LCA itself. We're going to be doing 40 pounds on that one, and then we're going to be going from this to this to this. I did these two Allen key ones at 10 pounds. Oh, you guys can't see. Yeah, I'm gonna start with this one, the LCAs, and then top, bottom, middle. That's how I'm gonna do the pattern. So the top one goes for 16 pounds, the bottom goes for 19, and then no, yeah, 16, and then the middle one goes for 19 as well. You see right there. But yeah, we're gonna start off with that, and then we're gonna switch off to the other side. But yeah, I don't know if I got it, but yeah, these are the ones that I said I did 10 pounds, or even though it's like 7. But that was like the lowest I was able to go. But yeah, I'll put you guys on a quick time lapse of me doing it, so enjoy. Alright, just like that. Take you guys off the gold thingy. We got a clean install, no issues whatsoever. Probably the first ever install I ever had that I never ran into a problem, so that's good. Got my boy Turbo. You fucking listen. Say hi. First install with no problems. Now I gotta get the car aligned, finish the harness install. That'll be in the video before this, hopefully. But yeah, car is almost ready for the track. We're gonna take it to the canyons next week after the alignment, test it out, see how that goes, see if it actually does make a difference or not. But it's coming together. It's gonna be it. Let me know the fade is clean. But yeah, have a good one, guys.